Your baby's nervous system is always listening? You might not realize it, but your home is constantly humming with sound. The refrigerator hums. The washing machine rumbles. The phone buzzes. The TV murmurs in the background. For an adult, these are just ambient noise. But for your baby's developing nervous system, these constant sounds can be surprisingly overwhelming. Your little one is experiencing the world for the first time, and their brain is working overtime to process everything around them. Let's talk about what that means for your baby, and what you can gently do about it. Your baby's nervous system is like a new computer that's still learning how to filter information. When there's too much noise, their brain can't easily separate important sounds from background ones. So they stay in a state of alert, as if always listening for danger. This means their body stays tense. Their breathing might become shallow. They might startle more easily. Over time, this constant state of alertness makes it harder for your baby to fall asleep, stay asleep, or feel calm during the day. It's not harmful in small doses. But when the noise is constant, it prevents their nervous system from ever fully relaxing. Think about your day. When you wake up, there's probably a phone alarm or partner's alarm going off. Then maybe a shower running, coffee maker beeping, kitchen sounds as you prepare breakfast. If you have older children, there's talking or music. If you're watching the TV or scrolling through your phone with the volume on, that's another layer. And that's just the morning. Throughout the day, there are doorbells, notifications, traffic outside, laundry machines, and perhaps a partner talking on work calls. Most of these sounds are so normal to you that you've stopped hearing them. But your baby hasn't. They're hearing every single one. Self-regulation is the ability to calm yourself down when you're upset. It's something your baby needs to learn. But they can only learn it in moments of relative quiet. When your baby is fussy, they need silence to hear themselves, to feel their own breathing, to settle their own heartbeat, to access whatever internal calm they have. Constant background noise makes this nearly impossible. It's like trying to fall asleep in a noisy airport. Your body simply won't let you rest because there's always something new to listen for. This is why babies who grow up in quieter environments often sleep better and self-soothe more easily than those in consistently loud homes. Not all sound is bad for your baby. White noise, consistent, unchanging sound like a fan or white noise machine, can actually be helpful. It masks unpredictable household sounds and can help babies sleep. Gentle music, your voice, and natural sounds like soft wind are also soothing. The problem isn't sound itself. It's sudden, varied, and unrelenting noise. A door slamming is startling. A phone ringing is alarming. A sibling screaming is jolting. But a steady hum is calming. The key difference is predictability. Your baby's brain can relax when the sound environment is consistent and gentle. That's why some babies sleep better with